In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an air filter on a Nissan NV2500. It is located in the engine bay area. Your air filter box is located on the driver's side of the engine bay area, just behind your windshield washer reservoir. The cover is held on by 4 clips. You can start in the front. All you want to do is just push the clip out towards you. The one on the top towards you. There should be another clip just to the right of that. Ours is missing. Same thing, you want to pull it towards you. Now on the side of it, you have another clip right next to your brake fluid reservoir. You want to push that clip out. Once you unlatched all your clips, you want to lift up on your air filter lid and pull out. And there's your air filter. Now that we removed our air filter from our box, you want to check inside there for any debris, and if you do have any debris, you want to remove it. Just a quick note, on your air filter top, you're going to have 2 tabs, one here, one there. On your air filter bottom, you're going to have 2 holes here and there. So after you install your new air filter, you want to line up those 2 tabs first. Your air filter on the top is going to have a tab. That tab gets installed into that slot on the cover. Install your 2 tabs on the bottom like I showed you earlier. Once your lid is secure, install your tabs.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.